Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS app. In this tutorial, we will show how to print a receipt in a different language to your POS system. For example, Basque or Catalan. First, open any table of your choice. After making your order, tap on the guest's preferred payment method. In this example, we tapped on cash. Once the order is closed, tap on the menu on the top left. Scroll down and tap on Reprint, Reopen Order. A window will then pop up with all the open orders. Select the corresponding order. Afterwards, tap on Print Options. A window will then be displayed with all the available languages in Spain. Select your preferred language by tapping on it. Note: Spanish is the default language. After selecting the desired language, tap on Print. The receipt will then be printed by your default printer. That's it. You completed the tutorial and now know how to print a receipt in a different language to your POS system.